Hi, this is Chuck Russell. I'm the director of The Mask. What you're about to see is the original prologue I shot for the movie that takes place in ancient times, and it's sort of my version of the discovery of America. This is Leif Erikson and his motley crew, and we soon realize the only reason they sailed all this way was just to get rid of the mask. I've always loved Norse mythology when I was a kid, so I decided we would connect the mask's mystical side to Loki, the god of mischief. It seems like in the original mythology he was always up to something, and I thought the humor and crazy magic we would incorporate in the movie would be nice if it was anchored in Loki's mythology. This band of Vikings is actually standing in Malibu, one of the places you might want to visit if you come to California. I promise you the weather's a little bit nicer than this. This is, remember folks, this is a rough cut. We never actually got to finish the effects, so you'll kind of see what I had in mind in the first stage of effects work. Ultimately, this would become quite a convincing storm and be matched across the different cuts you see. Here's my little joke about America. We'll leave it to Christopher Columbus to get credit for the discovery. There's nothing more fun than doing Vikings in Malibu, and we had to shoot this many times because the boat just couldn't make it through the waves, believe it or not.
Jag skyndar dig på, häxa! Vi har åkt till världens slut för det här. Och jag tror fortfarande inte åkt tillräckligt länge. Så skynda på, häxa!
Loki, du har drygen basen. Sitt onda blad av vattnet. För alltid går man upp begraven. Bakom vattnen och sanden. Dina tråkmonster. För evigt och Holland.
Tillbaka till skeppet! Nu, snabbt! Pappi! Dörren, det är nog där! Det är tillrättat vapen det! Olof, vi lämnar det till sydlänningarna. Vi kommer aldrig komma tillbaka till den här platsen. Det är nu förbannat för evigt.